This is day 5 of the house renovation project. Today I'm going to get started by laying the flooring in the laundry closet. Okay, I got the flooring down in the laundry area. Now I'm going to cut the cord around, finish it off, and then caulk and fill. These doors are just too tall to fit inside the opening, so I'm going to trim them down so they fit easier. It's nice. Now that I know it works, I'm going to go ahead and cut the other one down. Okay, now let's go toss it in and we'll adjust the doors out to finish. Okay, so after I caulked and filled all the cord around, cut down the bifolds and installed them and plumbed them and got them all hung straight, I set the washer and ran a test cycle just to make sure it worked okay. And everything seems fine, no leaks. So I had to run out to Home Depot after lunch and pick up some padding material for under the flooring that a customer wants me to put that in the hallway just to be sure to take up the irregularities of the floor height. So I just went to Home Depot and picked that up, and I'm on my way back to the job with it. The homeowner has a bunch of paints down here in the basement, and even more over here on the shelf. Trying to find the paint was difficult to match in above the base, but I think I have the right one. Today was kind of a lighter day, but I still was able to get some things done. I didn't get to the job until about 10 o'clock, but I was still able to get the laundry room completed. The customer was really looking to have that completed today, so I'm glad that worked out. Even cutting the doors, they really worked out painlessly, even with having to cut them. I started to think about doing some of the flooring. I even went and picked up the padding, but I think it's better to just focus on the bathroom at this point rather than the flooring. I'll probably come in on Monday now and work on the fan. I started to dismantle the fan and got that removed. It was so dark in the room, I just wasn't able to film any of it. And I also will work on some of the electrical items. So once I kill the power, I'll be able to do all those things at once. And at that point, if the customer has the paint, I'll be able to put the paint on the walls, and then I could start setting the cabinetry and the plumbing work, setting the top. So that'll really open up everything to be more completed. I looked at the flooring that they want in the bathroom, and it really wants to be laid once the cabinets are installed. It doesn't want the cabinetry on top. So I guess I'm glad I looked at that. Otherwise, I would have tried to put the flooring down first. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip when I start to remove the fan, and we'll see maybe if they have the paint, I'll start painting the walls. So we'll see you then. Take care. Bye.